kids, welcome to the short video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you use this interesting and fun classroom I made for you. So, first of all, before you start, if you don't want your classroom to be so tiny, like it is on my screen now, you need to rotate the screen. Take your finger and pull this window down. It looks almost the same on every phone. And then click on this button. This is a rotate button. And when it's activated, you can move your presentation classroom. So when you just move your phone, it is not going to be vertical. Now it is going to be horizontal. Then go ahead and click on this little button which has two arrows. When you click on it, the presentation is going to be big on your phone and you will be able to have fun. Now, let me tell you all of the things that you can find. If you click here on this finger button, clickety-click, you're going to see all of the things that I put for you here, all of the hidden stuff. So, just click on if you click on your picture, you're going to go to our Padlet where you will see all of the things that we did in the past. If you click on this, on any of the books, you have books here, you're going to see a video of me telling a story to my kids in school. Just click play if you want to watch it. Wait a minute.
Can we just say hi?
Yeah.
Hi. It's a gardening machine.
Yes.
Michael.
Wait a second until it loads. Yes, and you can put a full screen like this. So again, click on this little tiny button to watch. In all of these videos, I am reading books to kids in my class. Now, kids, let's continue. If you want to play a game, you can click on the blocks. These are the blocks. Okay? And then you can play a game. Here, if you want to use it, you can build a city. You can put people. You can do everything. You can change the color. Just have fun and be creative on your own in your own city. You can have a lot of fun there. Now let's go back again. I'm going to show you a few more things. Okay, so you can watch a story. You have 3 stories. You can play this block. And then if you click on art, you're going to see one video where you can follow me and watch me draw a cat. So if you want to have fun, you can draw this cat. If you go to English, there is a video where we practice numbers, colors, and shapes. So if you watch this video, try to have fun and repeat after me. If I ask you a question or if I say something, try to repeat after me. Finally, if you want to talk with me or if you want to play more, first, click on the plant. The plant is going to show you. Oops, it's not opening. Okay, we have to, oh yeah, wait a little bit, yes. Here, you can read a small, tiny book about plants and learn how plants grow. If you go back, we're going to go back again. And finally, we're going to click on this white picture. It says here, click here to talk to me. So if you want to talk to me, if you want to tell me something or just write anything, you can open this window. What can you do here? You can write like hello. Now I can write because I'm recording. So just write, hello, Melitza, how are you? Okay. And then you can also, if you want to take a picture of what you draw or anything that you made, you can also click here and just take a picture directly from the phone with which you're playing. So I hope that you will have fun. Let's go back one last time, kids. Okay, and let's repeat. So in the blocks here, you have a game. In the plant, you have a book. If you click on art or English, you will get 2 videos about English and drawing. If you click on 1, 2, 3 books, you can hear me doing storytelling and telling a story. If you click on the last picture here, which says London Bridge is falling down, you can see my kids in school playing a game. So, if you see my children playing a game, you can try to play this game with your own friends because it's easy and it's fun. Finally, kids, if you want to talk to me, click on this white picture which says Click here to talk to me, and then you can write. I'm sending you a big kiss, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye-bye, kids. See you.